Hi, I just wanted to do a short video to show you how to set an assignment on Teams and also how to grade it and use that. So I'm going to go to the team that I created specially for this to practice on, which is the testing setting homework team. So double click on that. Okay, so if you look at the top there, it says assignments right in the middle there. So I'm going to click on assignments. And we're first going to look at how to set an assignment. So you have a create button here. Create. You can just create a normal assignment. You can do quizzes. I've not messed about with that yet. So let's just do a normal homework assignment. And this is very similar to on Show My Homework. So you're going to do a title. You're going to do a title of your assignment. You're going to do some instructions on what the assignment is. Okay, you can copy in links there and all sorts of things. You can add resources in the same way as Show My Homework, so any PowerPoints, any worksheets that go for this assignment. Points, so you're going to mark this, I use Edexcel for science, so all my grades are from 1 to 9. Okay, assign to. Okay, so this is who are you going to give this assignment to? Well, in this case, obviously, it's the group called Testing Setting Homework. Okay, so what it means that when I press the assign button is you will all be emailed this, or the members of the group will all get an email copy of this assignment. We're going to use all the students in this group. Okay, and you can do a due date, so not only the date, but a time that it's due in as well, which you might find useful. That's it, really. Okay, you just press assign now, and this homework will be sent to all the students in whichever group this is. I'm not going to do that now. Let's have a look at what it actually looks when we've done that. Okay, so you can see here this is the assignment that I sent earlier today. So let's click on this. Okay, so these are the ones that haven't been graded yet. So I sent this about an hour ago to you all. So you can see that some of you have viewed it but not done it yet. Some of you have not viewed it. Some of you have turned it in. So Munir has turned it in, but I've not graded it yet. If I go to the graded tab, you can see that actually 2 people have turned this in, and I have already graded this. Okay, I did some feedback. We might perhaps look at that in a moment, and that feedback was emailed back to them. So let's see what that looks like. So going back to 2 grade, let's have a look at Munir. So I'm going to click on Munir. Okay, so he uploaded a Word document. I can see this, I just asked for anything, so I can print on here, thank you, Munir, this is excellent. Okay, I can give him a grade. This assignment I actually put out of 10, and if I press return, this feedback will now be returned to Munir. He will get an email with this feedback on. Okay, I can close that. So now if I go back to graded, you can see that Munir's has now been graded. He got a 10, and that's been returned to him. If we go back to 2 grade, has anybody submitted since I started this video? No, we can see that, but I do know who's seen that. So graded, 2 grade. Okay, let's go back to the original thing. Okay, so that was the assignment. And again, we can create that. I think that's fairly simple. Hopefully you will see it from the student's point of view, because I put you all into this group and sent this homework to you.